गार्बेज एकठांय जाताली पूण ताचेर सामान्य मनशाक कांय फायदो जायनासलो. मात आतां DRS वरवीं फुडल्या वर्सा सावन गोंयकार नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल प्रोडक्टांचेर जोडपाक शकतलो. पंचायत, नगरपालिका, शारांनी कोयर एकठांय करपाची मिशिनां बसयतले.
The government of Goa has decided to bring in the DRS from the 1st of April 2026. Deposit Refund Scheme. It basically means that whenever a consumer buys any product which is packaged in a non-biodegradable packaging, it can be plastic, aluminium, glass, or it can be multi-layered plastic, and is sold in Goa after 1st of April 2026, the consumer will have to pay what is called a green deposit. This deposit on most products is 5 rupees. On liquor bottles it is 10 rupees. If the product itself costs less than 20 rupees, then the deposit is 2 rupees. When the consumer returns that packaging at certain collection centers, that consumer will get that money back. That deposit will come back. So if there is some consumer who just throws his packaging on the road, he does not want it, the person who picks it up and brings it to the collection center, that person will get the 5 rupees. With at least 300 collection centers all over Goa. So every panchayat will have at least one. Bigger panchayats will have 2 or 3 or 4 different centers. Towns like Panjim, Margaon, Mapsa may have even 10 collection centers. Every year we will increase to at least 500 collection centers within 2 years. These collection centers will be of 2 types. One is it will be an automatic machine that will be kept at very convenient places, and people can just go put their item in, and on their mobile, feeding their mobile number, they will get the money by GPay or UPI. Plus, the service provider, we have, through a tendering process, a service provider has been appointed. They will also run a series of people with handheld machines to go to hotels, to go to restaurants, to go to cafes, so that all the bulk of consumption from there can also be collected. There may be some packaging like 5-liter plastic, oil, etc. They may be too big to put into these machines. So there will be people who will collect these from their handheld machines, like the kabadi walas, the NGOs that are currently involved in collection of some waste. They will try and involve them. Every item will have a QR code, the non-biodegradable. When that item is returned, the machine reads the QR code, gives the money back, but on that same item, again and again, you can't keep returning it and getting the money back.